my YouTube channel. It's your girl Meg, in case you're new, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you 2 simple ways on how to assemble a jigsaw lamp, and each lamp contains 10 pieces of the puzzle. So in total I have 20 pieces of the puzzle. Okay, before we start off, I'm going to show you how one piece looks like. It has a front part and a back part. The front part is dented, but the dent is slightly inwards, and the back part is dented, but the dent is not extended. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload such videos. This jigsaw lamp is a 10-piece puzzle, and in this first method I'm going to take 5 pieces for the bottom part and 5 pieces for the upper part. As I am connecting the 5 pieces for the bottom part, I am going to take each piece, as I had shown you earlier. Each piece has a front part and a back part. The front part has a slightly extended dent, and the back part is dented but it's not extended. So as we take the first piece and the second piece, we have to make sure that the front part and the back part are connected. And as we do that to all the 5 pieces, it is going to form a 5-edge star where all the pieces are going to face east. According to the viewers, it's going to be east. Yeah. So I'm going to do the same for the lower part, but all the pieces are going to face west. You will see. So in short, what I'm trying to say is, as we connect the 5 pieces to form the stars, they should be opposite each other, so that when we finally put the stars together, the edges will easily slot into each other. It might look complex, and me explaining it might sound complex, but believe me, assembling these pieces to form the jigsaw puzzle is really simple and entertaining. Sometimes when you're connecting the pieces together, they might come off, but don't panic or get frustrated. Sometimes it can be frustrating, but just take them off and then start all over again and do it slowly. What I was talking about earlier. If you look at the pieces, the stars keenly, you will realize that the pieces are facing opposite sides, and that is what we want to do. going to take one piece at a time and connect to the edges of the five edged star, which is the bottom part. And yes, explaining is a little difficult, but okay, let me continue. So you can see for every piece that I pick, I connect it to 3 points on the star, and I'm doing it all round. I feel like this second method is easier than the first method and faster. It's way simpler. So now I'm just connecting the upper part to complete the puzzle, and we will have our lamp. Well, I tried my best explaining to you guys. I am hoping that you understood and you got it, every single information. If you like or enjoyed my video, leave a thumbs up. I'd like you to share with your friends, ask them to subscribe, share, comment. And yes, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and until next time.